closed 207th deal. This is in Indiana, Daya in Indiana. Originally this is the estate sale. Okay, owner passed away and the heirs tried to sell the house, and I bought from them. It was a little bit longer closing today, but eventually we closed because I used private institutional renters' money. Therefore, it took a little bit longer to close this deal, but okay, finally we closed the deal. From now on, I go back to the property. I'm going to show you the inside. I just came to the property that I just closed in the title company. And this property is located in Daya, Indiana. It's a border, right east side of the border with Illinois. And this property is estate sale. And this is a split level house, and right now 3-bedroom, 2-bath. From now on, we're going to spend maybe a good amount of money to renovate this house. I'm going to show you inside. This is a living, and then there's a carpet. We're going to take all carpet on the upper level, and then we're going to install vinyl planks. Ceiling, right now nothing, therefore we're going to install 6 can lights. This is the kitchen. Yeah, good size of the kitchen. But this cabinet, it's a good quality of wood. If I want to use it, I'm going to change the countertop. I'm going to change the faucet, but I'm going to keep others. They all for floors. Same with the living space. We're going to install vinyl planks. Okay, let's go to the bedrooms and the bathrooms. Okay, this is the bathroom. There's a 2 bathrooms. Right here, this is the bathroom. Basically, we're gonna put the vinyl planks on the floor. Here, we're gonna take out everything. Then we're gonna install new tiles, ceramic tile on the walls. And here, we're gonna take out everything out. We're gonna install new toilet, sink, mirror, and then light fixtures. That's it. There are 3 bedrooms on this upper level. Then almost same size, but if you look at this, okay, all 3 bedrooms are almost same size, and then we have only this room. There are 2 closets. Now we're gonna install 1 ceiling fan lights here. Then take out all carpet, vinyl planks. Then we're gonna install the 1 light in the closet with the switch. And then this is a deck. Therefore, we're gonna install new wood on the floor. We're gonna change the entire doors. Okay. 2 others are almost same. Therefore, we're going to install lights, new lights, and then change the floor, and then light in the closet with a switch. I'm going to do the same thing with this bedroom too. Let's go to the lower level. This is the lower level. If you look at the ceiling, this is a panel. We have some space in the ceiling, and also this panel on the ceiling. Therefore, we have a higher ceiling here. We're going to install the drywall and 6 can lights. Take out all carpet. We're going to install vinyl planks. We're going to install new windows. We're going to take all panels to this bathroom and also utility room. We have a much higher ceiling in the entire lower level. Let's look at the bathroom. Right now, this is a closet, but we're going to make 1 good size of shower. Okay, here. Then here, the sink and toilet, mirror, and then we're gonna install the light fixture. As I said, we're gonna take out this ceiling completely. Therefore, we have a higher ceiling. Therefore, we're gonna install nice light fixture, mirror, and then we're gonna install new exhaust fan. The floor, we're gonna install same with our living space, vinyl planks. Okay, we're gonna install new windows too. All right, this is the laundry room. We have a dryer, washer, dryer, and the sink, utility sink. Okay, nothing special. We don't have any solid wall. Therefore, we're going to make a wall between bathroom and this utility room. Then this is a sump pump. It seems we have a drain tiles. And then all water going to be captured and then going to this pit. Then we are pumping out to the outside. Then we're going to install vinyl planks on the floor. All right, this is the garage. Okay, we don't do anything special, but we just paint the wall. Then this size, look at this. It's so deep, therefore we can park. We have a 2 car in this garage. Okay, the size-wise maybe 1, but there's a 2 car size of the depth. Okay, this is the utility room. We have a furnace hot water tank. Then we don't do anything for furnace hot water tank, but we're gonna check all plumbing work, especially this main drain from the kitchen to the bathroom, and also the bathroom in the basement, and then also utility room. That's why we're going to clog out completely to the street. Then we're going to make sure no plumbing issues. Okay, lastly, I'm going to show you outside. Okay, this is the back side of the house. Okay, we have a deck and the steps. This is a little bit weak, therefore, to comply with the code, we're going to strengthen these steps and then handrail. Also, we're going to strengthen this joist and also support too. If you look at this is a little bit weak. Therefore, we're going to strengthen and we don't have any problem. Okay, this is a good. It is not completely rehabbing, but good size of fixing work. Maybe it takes another 2-3 months. I'm going to show you the process of this project. Thank you very much.